Hi guys! Today I'm introducing you to BookWidget's newest update. You can now zoom in on images in several widgets. Why would this be useful to you and your students? Well, I'll show you in this video. First of all, zooming in on images is super handy when students are using the widgets on their smartphones or tablets. Now they can click on the image to take a closer look. Second, there are a lot of question types using images that are just so tiny. Enlarge the image and students get a better understanding of what you really mean. Here's an example of a quiz. There are two ways to close up images. By clicking on the image and hold it, like here, and by clicking on the image once, like here. Students can zoom in and out on images by clicking on the plus and minus button in the lower right corner. Click on the X to go back. This feature is possible in several widgets, like in the pair matching widget, the memory widget, flashcards, the worksheet widget, the split worksheet widget, and the quiz. The possibility to zoom in on pictures gives your lesson a whole new dimension and much more possibilities. Take a look at the blog post mentioned below for more lesson examples. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and have fun!